Dear friends, today I will discuss about Chapter 8 of the Patents Act 1970 or the Indian Patent Act. This is about grant of patents and rights conferred thereby. Chapter 8 starts at Section 43 and ends at Section 53. Today I will discuss about Section 43 and 44 in this video. And yes, please keep the Bare Act book with you while going through this video for the easier understanding. Fine. So, subsection 1 of Section 43 says a patent shall be granted as soon as possible in the below conditions. Now, look at the sentences I have written here very carefully. The condition is the application for the patent has been found to be in order. The key point here is to be in order. That means, in simple meaning, checked OK status. That means the application or the patent application must have fulfilled all the criteria required for getting a grant. Fine. Then, look at the grammatical conjunctions I have used here. That means after the conditions I have written and either bit A or bit B. Fine. So bit A says the application has not been refused by the controller by any of his power by this act. Okay. The meaning is very much clear that the application is not refused by the controller at all. Okay, and bit B says the application has not been found to be in contravention of any of the provisions of this act. That means the application must not have violated any of the provisions of the act. Fine. That means the condition I have written here, this condition is a must and either bit A or bit B is required. Fine. Next. In case of a joint application, the patent is granted to the applicants jointly. The patent is granted to individuals or to joint applicants with the seal of the patent office. Also, the date on which the patent is granted shall be entered in the register. Okay, these are the requirements or these are normally done. Subsection 2. This says, on the grant of patent, the controller shall publish the fact that the patent has been granted. Okay. Also, the application, specification and other such documents can be inspected publicly. That means now or in the current situation, it can be inspected publicly. Now we'll go to Section 44. This is about amendment of patent granted to deceased applicant. This deceased means dead. So, what are the key points? If the controller gets to know that the person to whom the patent was granted had died, he may amend the patent by substituting the name of the person to whom the patent ought to have been granted. See, I have written in a very simple way, which is very much understandable and easier to understand. Okay. Or, the condition is or. For a corporate body, that was for an individual and this is for a corporate body. So, for a corporate body which ceased to exist before the patent was granted. That means it was existing when the application was filed, but before it was granted, before the patent was granted, it does not exist or it ceased to exist. Now, what the controller does? The controller may amend the patent by substituting the name of the person to whom the patent should be granted. In the same way is for the case of an individual. Okay. And now the normal condition is restored as it is, and the patent shall effect accordingly. Fine. So, in this way, Section 43 and Section 44 are completed. So, please go through the video and simultaneously go through the Bare Act also. And please comment anything in the comment box. and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.